Hello, you lovely lot. Welcome back to the fascinating world of the human body. Today we're diving deep beneath the skin to explore the very building blocks of your muscles. Ever wondered what's really inside your muscles, those powerhouses that allow you to move, jump, and even smile? What is the secret behind their strength and resilience? What exactly is going on in there when you lift something heavy, pushing your body to its limits? What makes it possible to overcome resistance and achieve new levels of strength? Your muscles are like bundles of tiny ropes intricately woven together to provide strength and flexibility. Think of them as a complex system of support, enabling a wide range of movements. Each big rope is a muscle, a distinct unit capable of generating force and power. These muscles work in harmony to create the movements we often take for granted. Packed with smaller muscle fibers, the fundamental components responsible for muscle contraction. These fibers are the key to understanding how muscles function at a microscopic level. Zoom in, and inside those fibers are even tinier strands called myofibrils, the true workhorses of muscle contraction. These myofibrils are arranged in a highly organized manner, allowing for efficient and coordinated movement. These myofibrils are made of proteins called actin and myosin, the dynamic duo behind every muscle contraction. These proteins interact in a fascinating way to generate force and enable movement. Imagine them as teams of rowers, each playing a crucial role in propelling the boat forward. Their coordinated efforts are essential for achieving a common goal, sliding past each other to create movement, a process that requires precision and timing. This interaction between actin and myosin is the foundation of all muscle contractions. When your brain sends a signal, a command to initiate movement, these proteins grab and pull, engaging in a microscopic tug-of-war that generates force. This pulling action is what shortens the muscle and produces movement, making your muscle contract, shortening and generating the force needed to perform a specific action. This contraction is a complex process involving numerous steps and intricate coordination. This teamwork is what lets you move, allowing you to walk, run, and perform countless other activities. Without this coordinated effort, even the simplest movements would be impossible. Lift and get stronger, adapting to the demands placed upon your muscles. This ability to adapt and grow is what allows us to improve our physical capabilities over time. The brain uses motor units, specialized control systems, nerves connected to groups of muscle fibers, to activate and coordinate muscle contractions. These motor units are the communication pathways between the brain and the muscles, to coordinate all this intricate activity, ensuring smooth and efficient movement. This coordination is essential for performing complex tasks that require precise muscle control. For big lifts, your brain calls in more motor units, recruiting a larger number of muscle fibers to generate the necessary force. This increased activation allows you to overcome greater resistance. For small moves, just a few, allowing for fine motor control and precise movements. This selective activation of motor units enables us to perform delicate tasks with accuracy. Every muscle, from your eyelids, responsible for quick and subtle movements, to your quads, the powerful muscles that propel you forward, is built this way, following the same fundamental principles of muscle structure and function. This consistent design allows for a wide range of movements and physical capabilities, ready to adapt and grow when you challenge them, becoming stronger and more resilient with each workout. So keep pushing your limits and marvel at the incredible capabilities of your muscles. After a tough workout, your muscles feel tired, almost like they're screaming for a break. You might feel a deep ache or a general sense of fatigue. This is completely normal, and it's a sign that you've pushed your body to its limit. But something amazing is happening beneath the surface. Your body is already initiating a complex process of repair and growth. Lifting heavy creates tiny microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. These are often referred to as microtears. This is a direct result of the stress and tension placed on your muscles during exercise. But don't worry, this is a good thing. It's a necessary part of the muscle building process. These microtears signal your body to repair and reinforce the area, almost like sending out an SOS signal to your internal construction crew. The body recognizes the damage and immediately starts working to fix it. This repair process not only fixes the damage but also makes you stronger than you were before. It's an adaptation mechanism that allows your body to handle increasing levels of stress. Think of it like renovating a house. You're essentially remodeling your muscles to make them more robust. You break down old walls to build better ones, stronger and more resilient than before. This demolition and reconstruction is key to progress. This repair process is scientifically known as hypertrophy. It's the process where your muscle cells grow bigger and stronger, increasing in size and density. This leads to noticeable gains in strength and muscle mass over time. Your body doesn't just fix the damage, it goes a step further. It overcompensates, adding more actin and myosin, the protein filaments responsible for muscle contraction. This increases the muscle's ability to generate force. That post-workout soreness, often referred to as DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness. It's a sign you've kickstarted this growth process, indicating that your muscles are actively repairing and rebuilding. It's not the pain itself that directly makes you stronger, but your body's incredible adaptive response to the challenge, the way it rebuilds and reinforces itself. Each recovery period makes your muscles a little more resilient, better prepared to handle future stress. It's a continuous cycle. Challenge your muscles, allow them to repair and come back even stronger, ready to take on new challenges and push your limits further. So how do you keep getting stronger? Enter progressive overload. It's simple. Gradually increase the challenge for your muscles over time. Start with body weight squats. At first, 10 might be tough. As you get stronger, those 10 get easier. To keep progressing, add reps, weight, or slow down the movement. Each new challenge tells your body, time to adapt again. Consistency is key. Regularly nudge the difficulty up. It's not about one epic workout, but steady, patient progress. Your body adapts to what you ask of it, so keep asking for a little more. This is how real, lasting strength is built. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Here's a game changer that might just redefine your entire approach to fitness. It's a concept that flies in the face of conventional wisdom. You don't build muscle in the gym, you build it while resting. Think about that for a second. All those hours pushing your limits, and the real magic happens when you're horizontal. The workout sparks growth. It's the catalyst that sets the process in motion. You're essentially creating microtears in your muscle fibers, signaling your body to repair and rebuild. But the real magic, the actual building and strengthening, happens when you sleep and recover. That's when your body gets to work, patching up those tears and making your muscles bigger and stronger. If you don't rest, you just break down muscle without rebuilding it. You're spinning your wheels, putting in the effort without seeing the results. Overtraining can actually lead to muscle loss and fatigue. Recovery is essential, not a sign of weakness. It's an active process, just as important as your time in the gym. Embrace it, prioritize it, and watch your gains soar. Sleep is your superpower, the ultimate recovery tool. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones and repairs muscle tissue at an accelerated rate. It's like having a personal construction crew working tirelessly while you're catching Z's. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep for the best results. Make it a non-negotiable part of your fitness routine. Listen to your body, it's the best feedback you'll get. If you're tired or sore, take a rest day. Don't push through the pain. That's a recipe for injury and setbacks. Light activity like walking or stretching can help recovery too. It increases blood flow to your muscles, promoting healing and reducing soreness. Training hard is only half the equation. It's the stimulus, the initial spark. Resting smart is the other half. It's the fuel that ignites the growth. Combine both for real strength gains. It's about finding that perfect balance between pushing your limits and giving your body the time it needs to rebuild and come back stronger. Let's talk about what fuels muscle growth: protein and hormones. These are key players in the muscle building process. After a workout, your body needs protein, the building blocks for repair and growth. Protein is broken down into amino acids, which rebuild and strengthen muscle tissue. Good sources: meat, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, and lentils. Hormones like testosterone and growth hormone manage the repair process effectively. Big compound exercises and deep sleep boost these hormones naturally. Eat well and sleep well to give your body what it needs. It's a perfect system. Fuel, manage, and grow. It's all connected. Think of a power lifter and a marathon runner, both fit but trained differently. Strength training means lifting heavy for a few reps, building muscle size and power. Endurance training uses lighter weights or long activities, making muscles efficient for longer periods. Strength work thickens muscle fibers and improves brain-muscle connection. Endurance boosts your muscles' ability to use oxygen and fuel. Neither is better, they're just different. For most people, a mix of both is ideal. Combine strength and endurance in your routine for all-around fitness. How you train shapes how your body adapts. Let's bring it all together. The workout is just the beginning. You challenge your body, create microtears, and send the signal to adapt. But real transformation happens during rest, recovery, and good nutrition. It's a partnership. You provide the challenge, your body rebuilds stronger. Rest is productive. Sleep and recovery are as important as the workout. Celebrate your hard work and your smart recovery choices. Every challenge and recovery unlocks more of your potential. Be patient and consistent. Strength comes with time. You're building a stronger body and a resilient mindset. Now go have a great workout and an even better rest.